My today's topic is why Python is so popular with AI and ML. So let us see why Python is very popular. The first point is it's very easy to learn. Second is it has a rich ecosystem of libraries. Third point is supported by an active community. And lastly, it is great for prototyping and research. Let us see the different categories and the libraries and their purposes. Okay, so the first category is machine learning algorithms, and the library that is used is scikit-learn. And what is the purpose of this library? For classification and regression. Second category is deep learning. The libraries used for deep learning are TensorFlow, Keras and PyTorch. And what is the purpose? Neural network and DL models. Next is data handling. The libraries used for data handling are Pandas and NumPy. Here you can see Pandas and NumPy. And the purpose is data analysis, manipulation and arrays. The next category is visualization, and the libraries that are used are Matplotlib and Seaborn. And what is the purpose of these libraries? Graphs, charts and data plots. Next category is NLP, that is natural language processing, that nothing but text AI. The libraries are, so these are the libraries you can see here. And what is the purpose of these libraries? For language processing, BERT and GPT. The next category is computer vision, and the libraries are OpenCV and Pillow. So let us see the purpose. It is used for image or video processing. And next category is model deployment. The libraries, the Python libraries that are used for model deployment are Flask, FastAPI, Gradio and Streamlit. And what is the purpose? The purpose is serve machine learning models in apps. Let us see typical AI ML workflow in Python. The first step is data collection. And how do we collect the data? By scraping, that is scraping of the web page, CSV and APIs. The next step is data pre-processing. Data pre-processing is used for cleaning and normalization of data, and that is done with the help of Pandas and NumPy libraries. The third step is model building. This model building is used for machine learning algorithms, and the libraries that are used for this are scikit or PyTorch. The fourth step is training and evaluation. So in this training and evaluation, the data is split into two parts, we can say. One is the training data and the other part is also known as testing data. So in this step, the data is trained, tested and validated. And the last step is deployment. In this step, the app is built or the API is built to use the model. Thank you.